Bonjour, c'est Clara Clearly French. This is your second video about negative sentences, and today we're going to do a few sentence drills about double negatives. Before we start, I'll remind you how to say never again, never ever, ever again, or never more, and that's plus jamais in this order. Of course, the no is in brackets because we don't use it when we speak, but I will put it in the examples just to show you. To say nothing left, anything anymore, anything again is plus rien. To say never anything, jamais rien. To say never anyone, jamais personne. Never anywhere, jamais nulle part. Now let's have a look at some examples. How would you say he never understands anything about this lesson? So we know that never anything is jamais rien. So we'll have to say il ne comprend jamais rien à cette leçon. And the ne is optional, so when we speak we'll say il comprend jamais rien à cette leçon. And the jamais and the rien are always together, you can't really split them up. We never see anyone in this park. So we saw that never anyone was jamais personne. On ne voit jamais personne dans ce parc. She will never drink coffee again in the morning. Never again, plus jamais. Elle ne boira plus jamais de café le matin. And it's de because it's a quantity. It's like pas de, okay? Plus de, same thing. Okay, let's carry on. We'll never ever go back to this restaurant. It's the same as saying we'll never go back to this restaurant again. And never again is plus jamais. On ne retournera plus jamais dans ce restaurant. They never go anywhere. Never anywhere, jamais nulle part. Ils ne vont jamais nulle part. You noticed all the negatives are stuck together. She never wants to go anywhere. Never anywhere, jamais nulle part, again. Elle ne veut jamais aller nulle part. There's nothing left in the shops. So nothing left is the same as nothing anymore. Jamais rien. But here, to express the idea of nothing left, you will have to use the expression il reste to start your sentence. Il ne reste plus rien dans les magasins. You could say il n'y a plus rien dans les magasins, it's fine, but il ne reste plus rien is more the idea of nothing left. From now on, we won't say anything anymore. And that anything anymore, again, is plus rien. À partir de maintenant, on ne dira plus rien. I don't want to hear anything anymore. Again, we're going to use plus rien here. Je ne veux plus rien entendre. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking on the Coffee link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.